I am back. I am still in the process of moving. Today is Tuesday, I think. And last night we got the keys. I bug bombed the house, so it killed a lot. Unfortunately, also, this door needs rehinged because it's not spaced correctly. Bug bombed the house. There were a crap ton of ants in front of the front living room window, which makes me think there's probably an ant nest somewhere, either in the walls or outside. So I'm gonna have to look into that. That's kind of concerning, but I suppose it could be worse. Just had some more furniture moved over with some help, and I'm very appreciative of that. I moved over a lot of the kitchen stuff, and I'm currently putting in, I'm out of breath. I'm putting in shelf liner mats for the cabinets and the drawers. Otherwise, I'm just putting stuff in piles to sort out later. Just want to get it inside. So you'll see there are a few ants against the wall. It was way worse. Like, this whole area was covered. It was disgusting. I'm gonna vacuum this again before I move anything in here. This is some of the furniture we moved. So I'm gonna try to put some of this away. Today is Wednesday, my dudes. I think that's how that meme goes. Fortunately, we live close by, so I have been moving stuff during my lunch break and after work. So it's so hot out. Making small trips as I go. Right now, it's about 5:15. I have a little load in the car. Tomorrow, we have the moving truck set. We were able to get an earlier date, which is great. We can all do it this week. So tonight I'm going to clean all the bathrooms, install the new shower curtain rod and curtains, and put away some bathroom stuff just so we have something over there for now. So yes, but on my way over I'm going to get a car wash, and well, we'll see how the rest of the night goes. Follow me along. It is so hot up here, I'm sweating, so that's why I look like the way I do. Now I'm going to clean the sink area. And after that, I'll clean the toilet. Gonna spray down the shower real quick. They left the plastic on the little sink piece. Okay, so this is super random, but I ordered 2 curtain rods and I got a selfie stick instead. I did not order a selfie stick and I'm so confused right now. curtain rod up finally. These are much nicer hooks. They have rollers on them, so they don't get caught as easily on the, whatever you call it, I can't think of the word right now. Wherever it connects. All right, this is the final product. I wiped everything down, it's all clean. Each side has a towel, soap, and I just got these to put these little guys in that we use frequently. There's also a medicine cabinet. That looks brand new. We have one at the other house, and this one's built in, which is cool. So it doesn't stick out as much. Fun fact, these are my wedding flowers. I got fake ones because I had a courthouse wedding and we were just doing brief pictures, but they actually turned out pretty well in the photos. Just trying to decorate a little bit with stuff I already have. I made a rookie mistake and I didn't measure first the height of the shelving, and I had to put it on top the can holder. But that's okay, we don't really use cans all that often, especially the beans. I can't even really reach it, but I can reach everything else. Ideally, I'd like the counter to be as clear as possible, but that's not really realistic. So there is open storage on this side. We can stick a lot of stuff in that we're not using. We do use the air fryer a lot, and I have a Keurig. We'll be back tomorrow moving all of the big furniture. It's a long day. But we're about done to get the big stuff and return the truck. So it's 1:30 in the morning. We're filling up the rental truck with gas, gonna drop it off, and then head home, put the bed together, and try to get some sleep. Back at it again tomorrow.